Sup, dudes? This is Campbell, and you're watching Tron King's BMX recordings. So yeah, this is gonna be our second or first video, I don't know. So yeah, let's start off, or this is my bike check. Forgot to say that. The frame is a 2011 stolen Heist. So yeah, let's start off up here. Bar ends are Shadow Conspiracy, just the one that came with the grips. The grips are Shadow Conspiracy Old Dirties, I think that's what they're called. Yeah, same one over here. In blue, of course. Bars are the Primo bars. Yeah, Primo bars. Don't know what model, but I know they're Primo. Cable is the Jaguar L3. Stem is the Odyssey Tomahawk stem, flipped upside down. I just think it looks better flipped upside down. And I need a little more bar rise, I guess. I don't know if that really does anything, but whatever. Headset. It is this stock stolen headset integrated with a cane headset cap. So yeah. Fork is the stolen Cyclone. It's pretty cool, I guess. Pegs, I ride them on the left because I ride left foot forward, are just stolen stock pegs, stolen Thermalite pegs, I think they're called. There's one here, and same one in the back. Rim, stolen Revolver. Tire, in the front, I got a Demolition Momentum white wall. It's 2.35 in the front. I don't know if you can see the tread on it, but it's super nice. I like it. Well, I don't know. I'm posting this video on July 9th, and I got these July 3rd, but I didn't start riding them till like July 5th, but whatever. So I've been riding them for about 4 days, unless you're watching this video in 3 years, which then I would be riding them 3 years and 4 days, but whatever. Let's move on to the middle portion of my bicycle. Cranks are stolen Mob cranks. Pedals, the Eastern reinforced plastic. I'm gonna get Twisted PCs soon. I'll have a video up either on my channel or on this channel. Maybe both of when I get them. And I'm probably gonna get blue Aaron Ross grips too, but whatever. So yeah, cranks, pedals, same on both sides, obviously. Chain wheel or sprocket, whatever you want to call it. It's a stolen class ring. And then I got a KMC Crazy chain. Yeah, probably can't see it because the lighting's kind of bad, but you can see it here. And yeah, just stolen bottom bracket. Got my hairband thingies that I found a bunch of places. And my seat post is just the stock stolen Thermalite. Seat is the Animal Pivotal seat. I think it's called the Cush, but I'm not really sure. Yeah, that's what it's called. In white to match my tires. Seat clamp is Redline. And oh, I forgot the front hub. It's just stock stolen, you know, whatever. Stock parts, got a lot of them. Back rim, another stolen Revolver. The same tire in the back, just this one's a 2.2. And another stolen hub. So yeah, I think that's everything. There's my bike. If you liked this video, then subscribe to my channel, which will be in the description, or, well, subscribe to my channel and this channel. So yeah, videos in the near future will be, of course, videos of riding, and Casey's bike check, Ryan U's bike check, and Ryan M's bike check. So yeah, peace out guys, subscribe to me and this channel. Alright, bye.